Now you will hear a short conversation about grocery shopping. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hi, Alex. Ready for our shopping list?
Yes, Mom. What do we need?
Let's see. First, we need some milk. We don't have much left.
Okay, milk. Got it. What else?
We also need some bread.
Bread and maybe some fruit? I like apples.
Good idea. Apples are healthy. Let's add them. Do we need bananas too?
Yes, please. And maybe some juice. Orange juice?
We have juice at home. Let's skip it today. How about some eggs? We are almost out.
Eggs. Right. So milk, bread, apples, bananas, and eggs. Is that everything?
Yes, I think so for now. We can get cheese later.
Okay, Mom. Let's go.
What is the conversation mainly about? Which item did the boy want to buy, but his mom said no to? Now you will hear a short conversation about missing homework. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Good morning, Sarah. Do you have your math homework?
Oh, good morning, Mr. Davis. I am so sorry, but I don't have it today.
You don't have it? Is everything okay?
Yes, I'm okay now. But yesterday I felt very sick. I had a bad headache and a fever. I went to bed early and couldn't finish the work.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Are you feeling better today?
Yes, much better, thank you.
That's good. Your health is important. Can you finish the homework by tomorrow morning?
Yes, Mr. Davis, I can. I will do it after school today.
Great. Get some rest too.
I will. Thank you, Mr. Davis.
What is the conversation mainly about? Why did Sarah not finish her homework? Now you will hear a short lecture about eagles. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends. Hello, everyone. Today, let's learn about eagles, amazing birds of prey. Eagles are very strong and have excellent eyesight. They build their nests in high places, like tall trees or cliffs. This helps keep their babies safe. Eagles use big sticks, branches, and leaves to make their nests. These nests can be very large, sometimes as big as a small car. They use the same nest year after year, adding more materials each time. Now, how do eagles find food? Eagles are expert hunters. They mainly eat fish, but they also catch small animals like rabbits or squirrels. They fly high in the sky, looking for food with their sharp eyes. Once they see something, they dive down very fast. They use their strong, sharp claws called talons to catch their prey. Eagles are truly powerful hunters in the animal kingdom. What is the talk mainly about? According to the talk, what do eagles use to catch their prey? Now you will hear a short lecture about forests. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Today, let's talk about forests and why they are so important, especially for animals. A forest is a big area with many trees. Think of it as a giant home for countless creatures. First, forests give animals a safe place to live. Many animals, like birds, monkeys, and squirrels, build their homes in trees. This keeps them safe from bad weather and other animals that might want to hurt them. Second, forests provide food. Trees have fruits, nuts, and leaves. These are food for many animals. For example, bears eat berries, and deer eat leaves. Even small insects find food there. So a forest is like a big supermarket for animals. Finally, forests help animals stay hidden. The tall trees and bushes provide cover, so animals can hide from predators. So remember, forests are vital because they offer shelter, food, and safety for many different kinds of animals. They are truly amazing places.
What is the talk mainly about? Why do animals build their homes in trees?